Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we compare products to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Today, we have two amazing dash cams that will take your driving experience to the next level. On the left, we have the VIOFO A119 V3 2K dash cam, and on the right, we have the Miden S7 dual dash camera. Let's dive right into the comparisons and find out which one is the best bang for your buck. When it comes to video quality, both of these dash cams are top-notch. The VIOFO A119 V3 boasts a 5 megapixels IMX 335 Sony Starvis sensor and an f1.67G lens. With a resolution of 1440p at 60 fps, this camera captures stunningly clear footage during the day and night. You'll have no trouble reading license plates or capturing incidents with superb clarity. As for the Miden S7, it records in Ultra HD 2.5K at the front and FHD 1080p at the rear. The 176 degrees wide-angle front camera and 160 degrees wide-angle waterproof rear camera ensure that you won't miss a single detail on the road. It's like having eyes all around your vehicle. Parking mode is crucial for protecting your vehicle when you're not around. The VIOFO A119 V3 offers 3 solutions under the parking mode: auto event detection, time-lapse, and low bitrate recording. With the auto event detection, the camera will automatically record 15 seconds before and 30 seconds after an event. Just make sure to get the HK3ACC hardwire cable for this feature. Now let's take a look at the Miden S7. It also has a loop recording feature that ensures continuous recording even when the micro SD card is full. Plus, it has accident lock functionality to save and lock the current video as evidence in case of a collision. Both of these dash cams come with a range of additional features that make them stand out. The VIOFO A119 V3 has a built-in GPS module that records real-time speed, time, and GPS route in the video file. It also has a date and timestamp for additional evidence. Additionally, it supports up to a whopping 256 GB SD card, ensuring you have plenty of storage space. On the other hand, the Miden S7 features a large 3.2-inch IPS screen for a clear viewing experience. Its aluminum alloy case not only looks stylish, but also provides excellent heat dissipation. Plus, it comes with a free USB card reader, making it easier to transfer video files. The VIOFO A119 V3 and the Miden S7 are both fantastic dash cams, but it ultimately comes down to your priorities. If you value exceptional video quality and advanced parking mode options, the VIOFO A119 V3 is the one for you. On the other hand, if you're looking for a dash cam with great video quality, a user-friendly interface, and a sleek design, the Miden S7 is a solid choice. Remember, no matter which dash cam you choose, always drive safely and responsibly. Thanks for watching Buy Smart, and we'll see you in the next video.